Welcome to episode 10 of this tower defense series. So in this episode we'll create another difficulty level, and this level will look different and be more difficult. So let's get started with the video. So what we'll have to do is create a main menu first. So we will go to scenes and then we'll right click in here and create a scene, which we will call main menu. Now open that up. So it looks like this right now and it's just blue. So let's click on the main camera and scroll down until we see background type. And let's change that to a solid color. And now we can change it to any color we want. So let's say we want like a pink background, whatever. That's what it's gonna be. Well, then you can make it pink. And then we'll right click, go to UI and choose a canvas, because everything is gonna be made inside of the canvas. Then we'll double click on the canvas and go to scene so we can see the entire thing. Then I'll right click, go to UI again and choose a text with Pro, which will be the main menu text. And I'll just call this one for Tower Defense. And I'll set the font style to bold and the font size to 62. And then I'll scroll down to text wrapping mode and set this to no wrap and align it to the center like this and to the middle. Perfect. Now it looks like this. Let's click up here and anchor it to the top. So hold shift and click here. Then I'll set it to a -50, so now it's up here. And let's now create two buttons. So a easy button and a hard button. So I'll right click on the canvas, go to UI and choose a button, TextMesh Pro. I'll call this button for easy button. Then I'll click on this and open the text up where I'll write easy mode and set the font style to bold, and then go back on this one and I'll click on the source image right here and set it to none because that looks better in my opinion. Then I'll set the width to 250 and the height to 50. So now the button looks like this, and I'll just drag it a bit up like so. So now it's up here. So now we have a easy button, and let's copy this easy button and we'll call this one for hard button. And let's drag this one down here. Now we have a hard button, but it needs to say hard, so click on the text and write hard mode. Perfect. Let's now create a script to handle these buttons. So I'll go to assets and go to scripts, and in here I'll right click and create a new monobehavior script, which we're gonna call menu manager. Now open that up. In here we'll delete the start and update function, and then up here at the top we'll be using the Unity engine.scene management library because it's going to be loading scenes. And then we can create a function called public void load scene, where we can input a string called scene name. Then in here we can do scene manager.load scene, where we can input the scene name, which we get in the input. And that's how simple this script will be. So now exit the script and go back into Unity, where we will click on the canvas and add a new component, which will be the menu manager. Now it's here. So now we can go to our easy button and scroll down, and we have this on click event where we'll click on the plus icon and then drag the canvas where we have this menu manager on. Then we'll go to no function and choose the menu manager, and then go to load scene, where we can input a string, and here we'll input easy. And because we input easy here, we need to go to assets and go to scenes, and let's say our game scene right here is the easy one. I'll actually rename this to easy. So we load the easy scene. Then let's click on the hard button and scroll down and also click the plus icon for the on click event and drag the canvas on and choose the menu manager and choose load scene. And here I'll write hard. So now I'll duplicate this easy scene. So Control D, and now we have another one, and I'll rename this to hard. Now we can open this up and save. And let's change how this hard level looks, because right now it's the same as the easy one. So I'll go to scenes and I'll go to the grid down here. Then I'll click on this one so we have the non-placeable tiles and the placeable tiles. And first I'll just delete the non-placeable tiles. So I'll go to tile map here and I'll just delete some of them, not the start, because I want it to end at the same place, but I'll delete the rest. Then I'll click on the placeable tile map and I'll choose this tile with the brush right here, and then I'll change the layout of this whole level. So I'll choose the eraser right here and I'll begin creating another layout like this. Now I'll click back on our non-placeable tile map and I'll choose the brush, and then I'll paint in all of this with road. Like this. So now we actually need to go to our wave manager here, and we have all of our waypoints. So if I just click on this tool, we have the first waypoint over here, but the second one is over here. So we need to just align these to the corners. So I'll drag this one here, and for the other ones I'll do this too. And as you can see, we need one more for up here. So I'll duplicate the 8th one like this, and I'll call it waypoint 9. And then I'll put it up here at the end. Then I'll click on the wave manager, and we only have till waypoint 8, so I'll just click the plus icon once and drag waypoint 9 onto here. And now we can change these waves, so I'll just make them harder. So here in wave 1 I'll have 5 hard enemies as well, and I'll just change these a bit. And let's add some more waves too. So now I have a bunch of waves. Now open up the main menu again, and then we'll go to File, because we need to do one last thing. We need to go to Build Profiles, and then go to Scene List, where we right now only have added the easy scene. So I'll just drag in the hard scene and the main menu, and then I'll drag the main menu to the top, so it's number 0. So when you build the game later, it will be the first scene which is loaded. Then I'll do Ctrl S to save and close it down, and then let's hit play right here. And now we can choose our mode. So let's try the hard mode. And yep, you can see the layout is different, so we're in the hard mode. And when we choose easy mode, yep, we go to the easy level. So I hope you like this short episode. This is the last episode in the tower defense series, unless you guys come up with some more ideas for the game. And also real quick, check out my school community in the link in the description. I know you will like it. But yeah, have an amazing day.